Well, I know that AI has been like a huge, hot topic over the past couple months, but besides that, is there anything else that you've been seeing recently in like the PPC space that has gotten your attention or gotten you excited for 2025?
Yeah, I've actually just been digging a little bit more into demand gen as an ad format and how that might help to, like, alongside Performance Max and the other things that we have in terms of ad formats. There's just some new things that I'm not quite as privy to that I haven't had the ability to play with before that I think with new assets with AI and everything else that has come to fruition over the course of the last few months in our industry, I think it'll be interesting to see how that can complement what we are currently running for our clients. I don't think it's necessarily something that will replace anything that we have going, but it's definitely good opportunities to expand upon what we've already built.
Yeah, I mean, I love being in this space because it's always looking to like what's next, what's new, what can help us. So great. I'm glad that you're staying on top of that. I hope you find some good stuff.
Thank you. I hope so too.